What's up, guys? KidMar95 here, bringing you another episode. In today's episode, we have a technical analysis on ZRX here, currently up about 1% in USD value, just slightly below 72 cents, sitting at 71.8. But we're looking at the BTC value, folks, down about almost 1% for the day, sitting slightly below 11,700 Satoshis. But really quick, though, folks, before we do that, yeah, I do say folks a lot now that I think about it. I know one of my viewers mentioned it before, but now that I'm really sitting and listening to myself, I do say folks a lot. But anyways, we're going to run through the market really quick. Market cap is sitting at 256 billion. Today's volume is 12.1 billion. Bitcoin dominant sitting at 40.9. BTC up about 1% for the day, slightly below 6,150. Ethereum up about 2%, sitting slightly below 475. Ripple up almost about 1%, slightly below 49 cents. Bitcoin Cash up almost 1 as well, slightly above 750. EOS down 3.5%, sitting at $8.38. Litecoin down 1.25%, or I'm sorry, 1.5% almost, sitting at $82. Big winners today: Smart Cash up 22, Dragon Chain up about 13, Basic Attention Token up about 10. I think my brain just died there for a second. IOTA up about 7%, sitting at $1.04. Big losers today: Game down 35. Wow, Populous down about 9.5, and Cybermiles down about 9. You folks came here for some ZRX. Market cap is sitting at 382 million. Today's volume is 7.1 million. Circulating supply 532 million. Total supply 1 billion. Major exchanges here: Binance, OKEX, HIT BTC, Ethanex, Huobi, Polinex, Bittrex, and Liquid looks like are the major exchanges. First things first, BTC to USD on the daily. As you can tell, nice little descending wedge we got going on here. And then our nice little aggressive downtrend. Ooh, excuse me. So I'm still expecting BTC to fall down to about 5,000. Just my personal opinion. I'm not taking any more buys until we get a daily confirmation of support. I'm saying it's going to be 5,000. If we don't hold that 5,000, I think we're going to be going all the way down to about about 1,700 to 1,500. Sounds crazy, I know, but that's what I'm saying. Just my personal opinion. Not a financial advisor. Don't take any more buys on BTC, folks. Just keep in mind, though, the next run up to our next all-time high, I feel like will be happening in a matter of days, not months or weeks like the last time we formed our all-time high. Just saying, my personal opinion. Not a financial advisor. Ethereum to USD on the daily, folks, or weekly, sorry. No signs of slowing down. Did have a nice little pierce all the way down to about 452, and then retraced towards the upside. Did the same thing here, came down to about 450, retraced towards the upside. So we could possibly be holding at this level. However, I'm not expecting us to hold at this level. I'm expecting us to actually drop all the way down to about 400 and then forming a double bottom at this level. Switching over to Litecoin to USD, we're looking at the weekly. Nice little descending wedge we got as well. Currently testing our dynamic support at the bottom here. I'm still expecting us to fall down all the way to about $70 to $75. But support is showing us that we could actually fall down to about $50 to $55 per coin. But again, just my personal opinion, not a financial advisor. But you folks came here for some ZRX to BTC. We're looking at the weekly. Pretty straightforward, folks. It does look like we have a double bottom possibly forming. Higher high, higher low, higher high. Still waiting for that higher low. I think we're going to be forming it here at about 8,000 to 8,500 Satoshis. We're looking at the weekly. Momentum still heading towards the downside, so keep that in mind. We switch over to the daily, though. Get a better look at what's actually going on. Descending wedge. Almost like I'd call this a wedge. It's almost a channel, but the lines aren't parallel, so I'm saying it's a wedge. As you can tell, no signs of slowing down here on the daily. Momentum still heading towards the downside. Actually formed a lower high here. Lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. So I'm expecting a lower low here, folks, and this would be the beginning of our uptrend. Nice little descending wedge. But you folks were actually asking for some ZRX to BTC and ZRX to USD. Not much is, the weekly, or I'm sorry, ZRX to USD, pretty similar, except the only difference is, well, we formed the higher high, higher low, failed to form the higher high, and now we're looking to see if we form that higher low. I think, are we going to be holding at this level? I think we actually could be holding at this level, folks. This is a great psychological support and also a price action support. So what I'd be waiting for is just kind of, watch the weekly here, see if we get the higher low formation. However, if we do not hold here at about 70 cents, do expect it to fall all the way down to about 50 cents. And what that's going to be doing is that's actually going to be giving us the double bottom here. Bottom one, bottom two. And after that, we should be heading towards the upside. That's what I think about ZRX to USD on the weekly. Pretty straightforward as well. No signs of slowing down. Major support here at about 70 cents, and then another major support here at 45 to 50 cents. So I'd probably just slowly add to my position here and then here, but look on the daily for a reversal signal. So if we got a daily close above, let's see, a daily close above 75 cents, and we would probably be expecting a double bottom here at this level. However, it doesn't look like we'll be getting a double bottom at this level, so I'm expecting it to drop all the way down to about 45 cents. Very, very strong aggressive downtrend shown here, folks. And no signs of slowing down, so wait for that drop towards about 50 cents. But just my personal opinion, remember I'm not a financial advisor. But where do I see ZRX going in 2018? First target here about 40,000 Satoshis. Don't expect that to be hit until the end of 2018. Second target here about 75,000 Satoshis. Also don't expect that to be hit until 2 to 3 months into 2019. But just my personal opinion, not a financial advisor. But that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to re-steam, upvote. Keep commenting down below what kind of coins you guys are trying to see. If you guys are on YouTube, make sure you guys are subscribed and you have post notifications turned on. And you give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you're one of those. Love you guys too. But other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Take it easy. Peace.